In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating views for your 3D model and 2D plan views. Now that we've created our concept model and applied some materials to enhance its texture, let's learn how to save some 2D and 3D views. Let's begin with saving 2D views. Open one of the 2D views that you wish to save. For example, in this selected view, the topo solid is visible. You can choose to hide it from the view before saving it. Similarly, hide or unhide other objects from the view before saving it. Then to save it, simply click on the Save Plan View option. But that's not all. You can further customize it if needed. To do so, click on the View Settings button. Start by changing the canvas color. You can do this from the drop-down menu using the slider, or you can use the RGB values, or simply enter the hex code of the color that you wish to apply. Next, you can change the color mode of your model. If you wish to change from department to texture or monochrome, use this drop-down menu. Let's select the texture mode. You also have the option to make advanced settings, such as hiding the axis from the view if needed, or even hiding the edges of the view. If you want to show or hide labels, simply click on the plus sign here. Clicking the plus sign will show the labels, and clicking the minus sign will hide them. If you want to further customize the label view, for example, to add a department or hide an area, just check or uncheck the respective boxes. Then, click on Update View to refresh the current view. After doing this, your Plan 1 view will be updated. If you want to save this view and make additional changes in the plan view, start by clicking on the Save Plan View, and it will be saved here. You can then rename and update the view. Updating the view may include hiding certain objects. For instance, if you want to hide all the landscape, your site, or only wish to keep your spaces. Let's say you only want to have this much and update the canvas color. Then click on Update View. Or update an existing view by simply panning and zooming in this manner. Then update the view by clicking on Update View. This allows you to create various 2D views from a single plan view for the project. Similarly, you can also create and edit 3D views. Simply switch to 3D view, adjust, and pan to a specific view you want to save. Then just click on the Save 3D View option, and a new 3D view will be stored. You can click on any of the 3D views to get a better look at it. To make further adjustments, use the view settings as before. In 3D, you can also switch between orthographic and perspective views using this button, in addition to the other options shown for the 2D plan view. As before, you can rename and update a view as needed. Here's a pro tip. Use the Position Camera feature to position your camera and view your model from a specific angle if necessary. Save this view in the same manner as shown before. In this way, you can create and save both 2D and 3D views. These saved views can be utilized later in the present mode or can be exported as images.